and welcome back to another episode of Lish the Baker. My name is AJ, and if you're new here, I post videos every Thursday about a whole range of topics. And I've decided to start posting every Monday, specifically recipe videos. As you'll know if you've watched really any of my previous videos, I am slightly obsessed with my puppies. So I thought it would be fun to try and make some homemade puppy treats. These treats are super simple. It is applesauce, oats, and an egg. That's it. Super easy and really healthy for your puppy. The applesauce that I used is unsweetened, so there's no added sugar. Sugar can mess with dogs sometimes, so I wouldn't recommend adding that in. Also, make sure that you're using quick cook oats so that they'll get fully cooked in the oven. I had an adorable paw baking sheet that I got for Christmas, so I decided to make the treats in the paw shape. However, you can also just make them on a regular cookie sheet, which you'll see I also did. I'm really excited for the puppies to try this. I'll make sure to insert a taste test at the end, so stay tuned for some adorableness. Franklin is very excited to try the treats. He can smell them in the oven. Look at that little nose go. He's super excited. Stay tuned for his taste test. Frankie, sit. Good boy, good sit, buddy. Do you want a treat? That seems like a yes. Nice. Uppa, lay down. Good boy, good lay down. Do you want a treat? Oh, strong yes. What do we think? What do we think, boys? I think they like them. As you can see, these treats were a huge hit. My puppies are very excited to have some homemade treats. The best way to store these treats is in an airtight container in your fridge. And they'll last for several days, perishable-wise. I can't speak for how quickly your puppy will eat them. As always, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe so you get notified about all future videos. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, what would you like to see Lish the Baker try next? Franklin, I messed up your name. I did, I messed up your name. Mwah! It's because you have too many nicknames. I'm the baker, not the treat. Appa, do you want a treat?
Good boy. Did you swallow that whole? Must have been good.
Bye.